Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, reminding you that today starts week 2 of the summer 2026 warehouse sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Savings of 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off and sometimes more. Yep, week 2 starts today, and that means all the product from week 1 that hasn't sold out is gonna carry forward into week 2 while we add new manufacturers and hundreds of new items for you. I've got simple and basic, I've got some art and creative, I've got poppy stamps and birch press and memory box. Yep, all at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off and sometimes more. So come back and join me at 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. That's when week 2 goes live on our website, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. And you and I are gonna live chat while I show you some of the goodies that we have available in week 2. All right, you guys, it's the best warehouse sale there is. Nobody comes close. I will see you in just a little bit. It's me, Stacy. Bye, everybody.